Hello everyone, this is my oral presentation for English level 2. I'm going to take a pause to introduce myself. After that, I'm going to take about my trip experience in Villavicencio. Then, I'm going to take about the water in Villavicencio. And finally, I'm going to take about recommendations if you go to Villavicencio. Okay, let's start. I am Jennifer Paola Segura. I'm 21 years old. I was born in Bogotá. I study business administration. I live with my father and my cat. I like playing basketball, traveling. I like going to the cinema. Okay, my trip experience in Villavicencio. Experience of 3. Last vacation in January, I went to Villavicencio. I stayed there for 1 week and went with my family and my boyfriend. I liked it because it was relaxing. It was cold here, the singing of the birds in the morning. It is surrounded by a lot of nature and everything is very cheap. I like it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, I went to the river and liked it a lot. The water in Villavicencio. The water in that place was warm during the morning, but at noon it was very hot, and at night it was cool. Okay, I want to give you some tips. The first one, it is necessary to use light clothing. The second, it is important to apply sunscreen. It is recommended to visit the river in Restrepo Meta. It is recommended to walk through the forest. It is recommended to cook by the river. It is recommended to play soccer at night. It is recommended to visit the spring. It is recommended to cool off in the pool. People should visit the city center of Restrepo Meta and the river. People shouldn't throw garbage into the forest because we are polluting the environment. Okay, bye bye.